What is going on, YouTube? Tom here, on our way to another awesome car event. We are going to go to a place called Arts and Cars up in Brooksville. And by we, I mean...
Hello.
Yep, that's right. So we are on our way to go to a unique event, which is supposed to incorporate cars and also handcrafted art. So this one's going to be pretty fun. It's something unique. It's supposed to be a lot of classic cars, which, guess who really loves classics? She's dressed as my model today, so hopefully we get to incorporate that in the vlog. But yes, it's something different we've never done before. Everybody who's done it says it's a lot of fun. So, I guess without further ado, let's head out here. Let me start the car. Just had lunch at a place called The Bistro. Pretty good, don't you think?
It was yummy.
Yeah, she had a Reuben, I had some mac and cheese, pretty good food. We are now walking towards the car show. My car is so dirty we're not even parking it in the car show. We're just gonna leave it where it is at the restaurant as we suddenly gotta cross the street here. See a bunch of cars going in, so should be a good time. Oh, guess we can walk. guess we're about ready to head out. It's just a little car show, but definitely it was a fun one. Not too many cars there. Overall, what would you say your favorite was?
I like the orange one.
Orange Lincoln. Now that one definitely was amazing looking. Guy was real cool. It had a 3-valve swap, which is like I've never seen somebody really swap in many 3 valves before. I guess there's a first for everything. I don't know, I'd have to say that a couple of the classic Mustangs that were there. I don't know, I'm a little bit biased. I am just a little bit of a Mustang guy. I don't know how anyone can tell.
Only a little bit.
Just a little bit, just because I own one. I know a couple of guys were like, well, you should put your car in here. Sorry guys, it's dirty. Plus on top of that, we kind of thought this was more for classics. But anyway, let me know in the comments section below what car was y'all's favorite, because definitely there were a lot of amazing cars there, even if there were only a handful. Anyway, if you like this video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. If you are stopping in for the first time, go ahead and subscribe, because trying to bring you all awesome vlogs like this, awesome cars. Anyway, take care, have a good day.